I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the stage manager's name, phone, and the show ID so you call the right person immediately. Explain why. This prevents wasted time and confusion. Once confirmed, state your role, the queue number, and precise location on stage. Speak clearly and crisply. Use headset channel only if already connected. Make sure to mention any safety concerns up front so they can prioritize the response. You now give concise operational details so the stage manager can act without asking for repeats. Start with a one-sentence summary of the issue, then describe what you need them to do and why it matters to the queue. Provide precise timing and name any crew or prop numbers involved. Use short pauses to let them interject. If they ask for clarification, repeat the critical facts only. This saves time and keeps the call focused on solutions. You finish by confirming the agreed action, who will do it, and when it will occur to avoid misunderstandings. Once done, set a follow-up check-in or a specific signal they will send to confirm completion. If you don't get a clear response, escalate immediately to the backup contact or house manager so the show isn't delayed. Troubleshooting tip: if the line drops, switch to text with the same concise info and timestamp every message so everyone stays aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.